Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a practical DevOps task, setting up Ansible on a designated jump host. Our goal is to install this specific version using pip3 and make sure it's accessible globally for all users on the jump host. Our first step is to ensure we have the necessary package manager, pip3. Since the task specifies using pip3 to install Ansible, we need to confirm it's already installed on our system. Perfect. As you can see, Python 3 pip is already installed, so we can move straight to the main installation. Now for the core requirement, installing Ansible version for 7.0. Because we want to install it system-wide and make it available globally, we'll use sudo with our pip3 command. This process downloads Ansible and all its dependencies. It might take a moment, so let the installation run its course. The installation is complete, but how do we know for sure that Ansible is installed correctly and, crucially, that it's the right version and available to all users? We verify with the Ansible -- version command. There it is. You can clearly see that the Ansible core to point 11.12 is present, and more importantly, the surrounding package version confirms we have successfully installed Ansible for 7.0. This binary is now globally accessible on our jump host. Time to check the task. And that's a successful task completion. The jump host is now ready for the Nautilus team to start testing their automation playbooks. If you found this quick guide helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.